open it? I already know what's in this box, but I'm pretty excited about it, but she seems to be a little bit more excited than me, so you can tell probably. Here, let's open it. Let's open it. You can probably tell. Yeah, by the title. What's in here? But we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Here, rip it. Rip it. Oh. 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 So I am definitely not an expert in swim bait fishing. I've actually only caught fish on like 3 and 4 inch paddle tails on a jig head, so not an expert. Yeah, what's in there? What's that? A fishy, yeah. Thank you. From the internet and all of the research that I've done, this seems to be probably the best to get you started into swim bait fishing. And before you say anything, I know it's technically not a swim bait, it's a glide bait. It is the S-Waver, and I got the 168. I got the trout color because Fish Pond, where I got my personal best, actually has a ton of trout, and I feel like this could destroy in the spring. Yeah, the fishy. Oh, we can't take it out, baby. It's got hooks on it. Sharp. They'll hurt you. See? See the hook? I figured this would be the best for a beginner because, for one, it doesn't destroy your wallet. It's only like 20 bucks. For 2, it's not huge. It's not massive, so you don't have to have all kinds of like swim bait gear to actually fish it, which I do recommend if you're going to get into swim bait fishing, to get a swim bait rod and a swim bait reel and use the right line. But this is basically your way to see if you want to get into swim bait fishing. So you don't technically need all of that stuff to fish the S-Waver. I've seen a lot of good things about this, and I'm hoping this spring I can break my personal best again, this time on a swim bait or a glide bait. It matches the trout that's in Fish Pond, and I didn't see any reason not to get it. So this Sunday coming up, I do have a small trip planned. Not really a trip, it's like 45 minutes, but I will be fishing a lake that you guys have seen before, Card Fork, and I'll probably be with Alex from Wrong Angling again. And I might take this and throw it around because I know there's trout up there too. It's not really the time of year that I wanted to try, but you never know. Yeah, a box. Tell him bye-bye. Really quick, I got it out of the box to take a closer look, and I'm sure the lighting in here is god-awful, so I'm sorry for that. I wanted to wait until I got Charlie out of here so she couldn't grab it and hook herself. It looks as good as I thought it was going to look. I'm sure all of you guys know what an S-Waver is. They're extremely popular in California especially, but they're extremely popular in the swim bait, glide bait community. And I've been really excited to kind of get into swim bait fishing, and I feel like this is the best way to do it. Like I said before, I'm not an expert, but I mean it makes sense. It catches a lot of fish. It's not huge, so I don't need any of that like really expensive swim bait gear. I can throw it on things that I have right now. It was cheap, and it looks amazing. And I've never seen a bad review on an S-Waver, so I mean, it's worth a try. I'm not losing anything if it doesn't work. I got a cool bait, and it didn't really break my wallet. So yeah, as I said, I'm not an expert. Some people may have different opinions and think that there is a better choice for people who are getting into swimbait fishing, and that's totally fine. Those things are always opinionated, and this is just my opinion, so take it with a grain of salt. If you think there is a better option and you would rather try something else, then by all means do it. I just think the price point and the size and everything about this makes me think that this is the best swim/glide bait to get you into that part of the sport. So with that being said, I can't wait to catch some fish on it, or at least try. I don't think I'm going to have a problem catching something on this. It's perfect size. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry that it's not a fishing video, but I'm still stuck in the house for now, and I just figured I would share this with you guys because I was super excited about it, and I had to show you when it got here. It just got here today. Ordered it maybe 5 days ago, so it's pretty fast. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the view. I really do. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I'll see you guys hopefully Sunday. Or the video might be up Monday. I don't know. Real soon.